Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on PC. First, you will need to acquire the game through a PC platform such as Battle.net or Steam. Once installed, it is highly recommended to link your Xbox account to your Activision account. This enables seamless cross-progression, meaning your levels, unlocks, and purchases carry over between platforms. Always check that your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best experience. Next, decide on your preferred input method. You have the choice between using a controller, like your Xbox controller, or the traditional keyboard and mouse setup. Many players find that a controller provides a more comfortable and intuitive experience, especially for casual play. However, a keyboard and mouse often offer superior precision and faster reaction times, which can be a significant advantage in competitive matches. Experiment to see what feels best for you. To truly enhance your gameplay, take time to optimize your settings. Adjusting your graphics settings is crucial to find a balance between stunning visuals and a high, consistent frame rate, ideally 60 frames per second or more. Personalize your keybinds or controller layout to match your unique playstyle and comfort. Furthermore, fine-tuning your audio settings can give you a competitive edge, allowing you to clearly hear important in-game cues like enemy footsteps or ability activations. Finally, embrace the social aspects of Call of Duty. The game fully supports crossplay, meaning you can easily team up with friends, whether they are playing on PC, Xbox, or PlayStation. Effective communication is key, so utilize the in-game voice chat or your platform's party chat to coordinate with your squad. Consider joining a regiment or clan to connect with a community of like-minded players and participate in organized events, enhancing your overall gaming journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.